Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Vemax Edge 2.1 Bluetooth home theater system. This is the box that it comes in. There is absolutely no information here, as you can see. So I will open this box and show you what's inside. This is a 2.1 speaker system, so you will see two satellite speakers right over here. In this packet we have a input-output cable. I'm not going to take it out. And this packet we have a remote control. There are no batteries inside. These are the satellite speakers. So there you go. This is what the satellite looks like. It's made out of plastic. This is ABS plastic material, and there's a soft edge at the center as well. And yeah, it has this it has this glossy finish to it. So yeah, that's about it. And this is the cable that you use to connect it to the subwoofer. Speaking of which, let's take a look at the subwoofer. So there you go. This is what the subwoofer looks like. It's a fully black subwoofer. It has a matte black finish to it. It's also made out of wood, as you can see. And not just that, there is this module over here. This is the control module. You have a USB-A slot and an SD card slot as well. These are all the controls. These are all the controls. It comes with the mode button, next and previous button. There's also an aux port over here, 3.5mm aux port. This is a volume knob, and there's also a dedicated bass and treble knob. There's a Bluetooth sign over here, which means this is compatible with Bluetooth. I will pair it to a smartphone and show it to you in a while. At the back, we have the ports for input and output. And this is the power cable basically that comes attached with this particular subwoofer. And this is of course the FM antenna. Let's switch it off for now. Okay, and one other thing, this is the subwoofer, which is placed underneath. In fact, this is underneath the speaker like so. So that's a interesting addition. I will now attach the satellites to this particular subwoofer and test the sound. Okay, so connecting it to the subwoofer is pretty simple. Just make sure you connect it to the output section, which is mentioned over here. So this is left, this is right. 1 second. There you go. Our speakers are ready. Now it's time to connect this power cable to a power source, which I have over here. Now let's switch.
Bluetooth mode.
You heard that? It set out pretty loud. It's in Bluetooth mode right now. We're currently on. We're in the 220 volt AC connectivity. This also operates on battery, so that's a good addition as well. So now that we are at Bluetooth mode, I will try connecting it or pairing it with my smartphone. So I'm now at the Bluetooth settings page looking for a new device. I found this V15 option over here. Let's see if this is the one. Clicking on pair.
Paired.
There you go. The device is now paired. I will play some music and test this out. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Vemax Edge 2.1 Bluetooth home theater system. Thank you for watching.